You're going to be furious that nobody showed you these 3 steps to deal with any situation that's bothering you in your life in a way that's honest to how you feel, but also allows you to feel good moving forward and handle the situation successfully. These are the 3 steps. We're going to do them right now so you'll remember them for the rest of your life. So pick a situation that's bothering you right now. Nothing overwhelming, just something that's like a 6 out of 10 at most that you'd rather not deal with in the same way. And just notice how you feel when you think about that. Even though it's counterintuitive, allow yourself to let up those feelings that are associated with that situation. Even though it's uncomfortable, just notice where you feel it in your body. And just consciously let it be. Don't try to change it for a moment. Be with the energy of the feeling, not the thoughts. As you put your mental spotlight on the energy in your body where you notice it. Notice what happens when you don't try to fight it, when you just let it be there for a moment. And just start to breathe with it, flow with it, keep your attention on it. And imagine space opening up around it. As you start to relax into the fact that it's there, just letting it be. Like it's okay if it's there, it's okay if it leaves. And as you really sink and ease into that place of letting it be, you'll notice you can move to the next step, which is letting it go. If it's no longer serving you, just ask a greater energy or the universe to just take that away from you. Don't overthink this. Just say, I'm done with this energy. Please take it away. Even though it might seem silly, just try it as an experiment and just relax as you allow it to flow up and out through your body, up through the top of your head. Don't think about it. Just feel that flowing out. Evaporating, disappearing into the bigger energy around you, becoming lighter and more spacious in the place where you were holding that energy in your body. And now move to the 3rd step, letting in. Pick the energy that would help you in this situation going forward. Is it safety? Is it trust? Is it confidence? Expansiveness, compassion. Notice what would help you and feel that energy. Start to breathe it in. Notice what color and texture that energy is. Don't put any limit on it. Just start to breathe it in as if it's surrounding you and you're just welcoming it in, letting it in to flow through your body, through your energy system. Breathe it in abundance in this moment. Like it's starting to expand through your body and past your body. Enjoy that feeling, saturating you completely. And just notice how you feel when you think about that original situation that was bothering you. Notice how your perception and your energy, your perspective might have shifted. And just follow those 3 steps. Let be, let go, let in.